Hey there, viewers! Blood is the lifeline that transports all sorts of materials throughout your body. If you want to remain healthy, you need to pay attention to your diet and lifestyle. No, you don't need to buy tons of detox supplements. Simple dietary changes will do. In today's video, we're going to talk about different ways to clean your blood. Why is eating garlic on the top of our list? Can coffee really help with blood purification? What about ginger, blueberries, and grapefruit? We'll be discussing all of these and more. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is one of the best foods to have if you're looking to clean your blood. It has a compound called allicin that is activated when you consume raw garlic. This compound is the key to ensuring the liver is protected from toxins, which in turn help filter your blood. Everyone knows blood is vital for the human body. It carries all the necessary nutrients and oxygen to the cells, ensuring all waste products are directed away from those cells. It's important to make sure your blood is filtered from all the toxins it carries. Garlic also has antimicrobial properties, which not only help purify the blood, but also ensures your intestines are free of parasites and viruses. It's also known to help reduce your chances of cardiovascular disease. Do you use garlic while cooking? What's your favorite food to have with it? Share your preferences with the Bestie community in the comments below. Number 2. Water. Water seems like a very basic suggestion, but it should be mentioned. A lot of people ignore drinking water and only do it when they're really thirsty. You should be drinking regularly to keep yourself hydrated, as well as help your body clean up your blood. Kidneys get the help of urine to flush out toxins from the body, but it can only do it if there's enough water in your body. Water ensures all the harmful chemicals and toxins are removed. Experts suggest you need to be producing around 6 cups of urine every day. Drinking enough water also ensures the pH level in your blood is maintained so that there is no difficulty in removing the toxins. It's recommended that at least 8 to 10 glasses of water should be consumed each day. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all our great Bestie content. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is not everyone's favorite vegetable. While it doesn't taste great, it's one of the most important vegetables you can have, especially if you want to help the body clean up the blood. Broccoli has a number of important nutrients such as vitamin C, manganese, calcium, and phosphorus. These can help flush the toxins from your body. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli are also known to reduce the chances of kidney cancer. When you consume broccoli on a regular basis, you'll be giving your body a lot of antioxidants. Antioxidants can help remove the toxins and boost your immune system. There are so many ways you can enjoy broccoli. You can add it to your salad or eat it raw. They're a versatile vegetable that you can steam, bake, or grill. You can even add it to your super casserole. Just don't boil the broccoli. Cooking it at a high temperature destroys all the nutrients. Number 4. Beetroot. Beetroot is another vegetable with a natural cleansing agent that can remove the toxins from your blood. It's packed with antioxidants as well as vitamins A and B6, which can reduce the chances of inflammation in your body. It can also protect your liver from oxidative damage. Along with producing the enzyme that can help detoxify your body, beetroot juice also reduces your blood pressure. In one study, 2 groups of participants were given either 70 milliliters of nitrate-rich beet juice or a placebo. The group with the beetroot juice saw their blood pressure decrease by 5 more milliliters of mercury than that of the placebo group. This happened just after 30 minutes of drinking the juice. However, it may not have the same effect on people who are already taking meds to lower their blood pressure. Number 5. Apple, guava, and grapefruit. Fruits such as apple and guava have a fiber called pectin that can help clean the blood. The pectin binds to excess fats as well as any heavy metals or harmful chemicals and gets rid of them in an efficient manner. Grapefruit can also help cleanse your blood. It's high in antioxidants and can reduce the chances of inflammation in your body. Research has shown that grapefruit can make sure the liver is kept safe, especially after drinking a lot of alcohol. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch and learn more about the 7 signs of pancreatic cancer you should never ignore. Now back to our discussion on 11 ways to clean your blood. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries aren't just a delicious fruit, they also have highly beneficial antioxidants that can protect your liver from damage. Studies have found this wonderful fruit can help keep your liver healthy. You can snack on fresh or frozen blueberries. Don't like the taste much? Well, you can mix them into yogurt, oatmeal, or a smoothie. Number 7. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their benefits on your urinary tract. This fruit has the power to prevent bacteria from attaching itself to your urinary tract, which keeps your kidneys safe from infection. You can eat cranberries on their own or add a handful to your breakfast smoothies, oatmeal, or fruit salad. Number 8. Coffee. Surprised to see coffee on this list? Well, so were we when we first found out drinking coffee can have protective effects on your liver. Research has proven that drinking coffee lowers the risk of cirrhosis in people with chronic liver disease. In fact, it can even reduce your risk of developing liver cancer. Coffee can also help people with hepatitis C. All the positive health effects of coffee are due to its ability to prevent the accumulation of fat and collagen in your liver. Drinking coffee is good for your health, but just remember not to have too much. Limit it to just a couple of cups a day. Number 9. Fish. Fish that are high in omega-3 fatty acids are great for your health. If you want to purify your blood, include fish like tuna, salmon, or sardines in your daily diet. Omega-3 fatty acids lower your blood pressure and decrease blood triglyceride levels. This makes this nutrient super great for both your kidneys and your liver. Here's a word of caution though. Fish are also high in protein. If you already have kidney disease, you should restrict any high-protein foods you eat. Eating too much protein makes your kidneys work harder. Number 10. Ginger. Ginger is great for helping your body control its blood sugar levels. It also helps treat non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. You can drink ginger tea or add some ginger to your recipes. Fresh or powdered ginger can add some distinct flavor to your food. Number 11. Lifestyle changes. Apart from eating special foods, there are other things you can do to strengthen your liver and clean your blood. For instance, getting yourself vaccinated for hepatitis A and B can ensure the viral infections won't damage your liver. Similarly, you should try not to drink too much alcohol. Your liver will have to put in extra effort to detox. When the alcohol content is high in your body, it can lead to scarring of your liver and even end up destroying your liver cells. If you want your liver to work, it's important to maintain a healthy weight. When you're overweight, you might end up with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. If it's not treated at an early stage, it can lead to cirrhosis, which will stop your liver from detoxifying. Drug addiction is another serious threat to your liver as it has to filter out toxins produced from drug use. People with drug habits run the risk of permanently damaging the liver. While there may be many detox products in stores, all you need is a healthy diet and lifestyle for your liver to function at its best. And of course, drinking enough water every day is key to ensuring toxins are removed. Avoiding toxins from alcohol and drugs can keep your liver healthy. This will keep your blood clean. If you're suffering from a kidney condition, it's important to speak to your doctor before making any wild changes to your diet. Interested in taking the healthy liver discussion a bit further? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more liver-related videos, shall we? Here's what you need to know. Watch 6 early warning signs of liver damage, or how about 13 foods to avoid at all costs if you want a healthy liver? Go ahead, click one, or better yet watch both and learn more about your liver health. Will you be including these blood-purifying foods into your daily diet? Let us know in the comments below.